Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, and I'm just going to put together a little centerpiece for a baby shower or even a wedding. So this is the hard wreath round at Dollar Tree. So you see that ribbon right there? Well, I was at Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree does not sell this ribbon, or maybe they're about to and had it in boxes, but that was the only wide piece of ribbon I've seen in Dollar Tree. But baby, when I tell you that's exactly what I was looking for, I was like, God, I thank you, because that's what I wanted. And it was sitting in a random cart. It was a ghost cart. Yeah. I wasn't mad at it though. As you can see though, I didn't wrap the ribbon all the way around, because when I cut it too short, which works out for me because you're not going to see it anyway. So now I'm putting flowers in here from Dollar Tree. And I love, absolutely love these pink and white flowers. They're just gorgeous to me. So I did the front and the back of this centerpiece. So in case the person who might want it, they could use either side. Or if it's a table with, you have people sitting on both sides can see the centerpiece and it won't be an ugly side. You feel me, right? Okay. So now I'm putting some flowers on the wreath, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to put more, if I want to put some at the top. How do I actually want to do this? So I just reneged on putting the flowers at the top, so I finished doing them on the side. And I had to use like a little knife to dig into that wreath form because it's very hard. So that's what I did to that. And now right there, I put some of the ribbon around the base of that candle holder that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just making a little design to put right there. I think that's cute. But I think almost everything I do is cute, so. Now, what I'm doing here is putting gems on it. And you can't see it because the way the camera was angled, you can't see it. But I actually put the gems on there. Unfortunately, I can't show it too well. But I'm doing the other side now. I opted at first not to do the other side, but now I chose to do the other side. And just use your imagination to see that one all the way around. There you go. Oh, I did a better view here. You go, girl. So I'm just putting the gems around, and that's what I did to the other side. Again, I'm doing it on both sides because this might be used where there are people on opposite sides of the table. So both of them can have a nice view of the centerpiece. So yes, this is what we're doing. And we go all the way down with it. I know this is like watching paint dry, but this is what I was doing. And again, the color is pink, and you can see a little bit of that green come through the pink because I didn't double wrap it. I didn't want to use all my ribbon, but that's fine too because it's not really showing that hard. Now from this angle, you can see the gems on the other side as well, and know that I did put them all the way, almost all the way around, almost all the way around. So I had to go back on that other side and put some more gems down to match the other side. And as you can see, I'm having problems with my hand, waiting for my doctor to order my brace, the real brace, because that's my husband's brace. But because I've been on steroids so long, my bones are brittle and they are doing all kind of crazy stuff right now. So here I am putting decorations on the other side of the ribbon. This is the side where the opening is, where I had to glue the two sides together, and I didn't want to leave that ugly. So I went ahead and put some gems on that side. And there you have it. A cute little centerpiece that could be used for a baby shower or a wedding centerpiece. If you like light pink, or if you just like pink, I think it's cute. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I love you. This is Lady T signing out with the centerpiece. I'm a little bit proud of this piece if you can't tell, but thank you for watching. God bless.